So what I'm going to do is pass this out. Nayan's going to read the prompt for everyone, and then I would like you guys to solve it. But before you solve it, I would like you to predict an answer. So based off of what you read, before you even like start doing a bunch of stuff, I would like you to predict which one of these multiple choice answers do you think might be the answer, and then write why. Okay? So go ahead, read it out loud.
The square below is divided into 3 rows of equal area. I choose F.
Let's choose G.
I chose F.
I chose G, but I'm kind of iffy about it now.
Okay. So there's 2
Wait.
people choosing F and 2 people choose G.
Why did you guys choose F?
My reason was because it's only a prediction. I didn't do any math into it yet, so it's just guess.
I choose S because there's one big box, and then in that one big box there is 9 small boxes.
Me, I choose G because I just look through the picture and like see 9 box and 3A. So I just choose G. That's right. Just to visualize.
I chose G because whenever I see a box, I tend to think of a window is split into 4, and it takes up majority of one of the 4 boxes, but it does not take up like the whole entire thing, but it's not half of it either. So that's why I'm kind of iffy about G. So it might be something else.
Okay.
Then how do you guys like eliminate K, J, and H?
It's obviously not J because it's 13 over 12, which is the whole entire thing, which is not the whole entire thing.
But then G is, if you look at it, it's 3 over 9, which just means
1/2.
you can, yes, divide it again.
Yeah, that's why I was iffy about it.
Can we start somewhere now?
Okay, so
Oh, I just realized there's more than one boxes labeled. Was that the
So
only
it said there is 3 rows, and 3 of them are equal. So it's like the first row is equal to each other, the second row is equal to each other,
yeah.
and then the third one is equal.
split into 4, right? You can drag those lines up, and you get half of each half.
Oh, so you
So
mean
I have all
and
the
that's-
first row.
Yeah.
okay? I
Just
get
only
it. So
have
it's
one
you mean the third row, the third one and the first one are the same.
And if you drag it all the way up, it's half of the 2 bigger ones.
Okay. How about let's start with the question. What the question is asking us.
What fraction of the square area is labeled as region?
Yeah.
And we see that this AB equals A, right?
Yeah.
And so in one of these are like almost to this. You see it?
Wait, one of this is almost as big as this.
No, one of this is almost as big as that.
Yeah.
I don't get it.
So basically, so you know each section, they say each section, this part up here is split into 2 pieces, right?
Yeah, it's equal to each other.
Yeah, so this whole section and this whole section and this whole section is equal to each other.
So, well,
So it's like basically cut into 3 even.
pieces. 3 equal pieces.
3 equal pieces. So since we're trying to figure out the A label, like the section that's labeled as A, so and for this first section up here, 1/3 of this whole entire square, we only need half of it. So you take 1/3 divided by 2. So you're taking 1/3 and splitting it 1/3 into 2 pieces, which is
Yeah.
1/6. So once you're able to find that, you're able to find one area of this.
Okay.
And since this part is split into 3 pieces, you take 1/3 and divide by 3 because 1/3 of this whole place is this part, and you find just this part. So
So
divide that by
1/3 divided by 3, and the next part is 1/3 divided by 4.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what I did was visualized it. So like, you can like cut this in 4 pieces. I saw that K had 13 out of 36, and so 36 must be the area for this, or like, what did let's just say area.
For the outside, we
Yeah.
didn't even,
So for
just
the
didn't
first ring,
like
it
label
was
any
6.
number on it.
Oh, I know. It's just that
Second is 1/6.
I was just like
The first one,
guessing checking, like,
Okay.
and so what I did was I found
and the one is the
1/4
one
of
Yeah.
36, which is
Yeah.
9, and there was still a little bit more piece of it, and so I just added a few more numbers to get 13 over 36.
Do this again. What'd you do different? As you worked through it, what kind of things did you notice that maybe tripped you up or that you wish you would have done different?
Look at the picture.
Okay,
Look at the picture. You didn't look at the picture?
No, I did not. I only saw the biggest box A, and I didn't see the other two small ones.
Oh, yeah.
So
Okay. Yeah. That's like the opposite of what I did.
So what would you have done different?
I put more thought into it, I guess. Because I didn't show that much work. I only I only visualized what it should be. Yeah, if that makes sense.
how about you?
I kind of just choose because I didn't think like deep down in there. I was just looking at the pictures and then like count the box and then look at the answers.
So you're trying to do like a guess and check thing?
Yeah, it's guess
So you're
and
doing
checks
guess and check.
thing.
You did too.
Me,
What would you have done different?
me, if I would do it differently, it's like maybe choose different method, like pick out idea that I learned in the past, maybe. So if they ask about the square area, then I might guess and check for the square area of the whole boxes.